काँग्रेसीचो खंयचोच आमदार फुटून भाजपान वचना ही फकत एक वावडी आशिल्ल्याचे विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी मायकल लोबो सांगतात. खंयच्या तरी वेब पोर्टलांत ही खबर पातळायिल्ली पूण तातूंत मात्तूय तथ्य नाशिल्ल्याचे मायकल सांगता. आमदार फुटून भाजपान वचप हे जाल्यार आपल्या कानार येता आसले पूण हे अशें कांयच ना अशें मायकल म्हणटा.
One news portal or somebody makes a news and then it becomes news for everyone that becomes a news of the day. So there is nothing like that. We met, 2 MLAs just met, including me was 3. We had coffee together. There is nothing wrong to have coffee. We discussed about coming assembly session, then the cautions and some other things which we have to do.
Congress?
Yeah, only Congress MLAs. No BJP MLA, no BJP functionary. Nobody was there. Actually, we have to add that word called false news, which is being spread.